steal this because it's too heavy and so we need a place close to the fence. But we need to clear it and we need to make it flat and then put bricks or something hard so it doesn't move. So
flat, yeah, make it flat because mine so I saw it the time when we
so two by two.
I saw it the time when we go to
Yeah. Yes. So yes, it's different. This one is above the ground.
Oh, this one is above.
It's above ground. Yeah. So it will be like a tank on top of the ground. So what you guys need to do is 2 by 2 meters close to the fence. Clear up this area. You can move this plant.
We keep
Or you can give it to Nsako. This plant.
I didn't even notice. Got beans here. Pumpkin.
Nsaka's gonna come and do the agriculture training for you. So he will come.
Yeah, we'll do our best.
He will teach.
Many months later.
Okay, so today we're going to be helping the community clean up this garden and then setting up the biogas system. So first things first is moving the weeds from this place, and there's actual weed too, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but yes, let's help these guys. These are beans.
Have a level.
Got beans. Kale. I think that is carrots. Okay, so now we have populated this with weeds from the garden that we're going to now use for as a base. We're going to put sand on top of it, and then we're going to put those coverings on top of all of that to try and keep it level using what we have. that this is the praying mantis just chilling here, camouflaged, just chilling. I thought it was a stick until I was like, that's just not a normal stick. Yeah, things you'll find in farms, eh?
So this is the beginning of building your biodigester. So there's a few things that just we need to finish. I was thinking to the two things I'm worried about that we need to check next is if there's any leaks. So if there's cats, maybe rats have eaten. So one way to do it is either fill it with air, which we don't have an air compressor, or water. When it's water, you can see this leak.